Hello and welcome back to my new video. Today, as we know, we are going to solve the daily problem of LeetCode. So without wasting time, let's go ahead to the question. Today's question is insert the greatest common divisor in the linked list. So today we are given with a head of a single linked list. Okay, fine. Then where each node contains an integer value. As we can see here, the task is to insert a new node between the array pair of adjacent nodes. Like in between of this, the value of the new node should be the greatest common divisor, means GCD, of the two adjacent nodes. Is it clear? Okay. For if you want an example, I can give you an example. No, sorry. Let's move ahead with the example. If there is a linked list like this 18, 24 and 12, then we have, after this, we needs to GCD, we need to insert the GCD between each pair. So the GCD of 18 and 24 is 6, and the GCD of 24 and 12 is also 6. After inserting this GCD nodes, it kind of look like this: 6, 24, then again 6, sorry, and then 12. This is the thing we have to find it out, like 6 and 6. So here is how I will approach this thing. We have to traverse the linked list. Like we need to traverse the linked list from starting from the head. As we move from one node to the next, we compute the GCD of the current node's value and the next node value. Is it clear? Then after that, we have to insert the GCD node. After calculating the GCD, we create a new node and of the GCD and insert it between the current node and the next node. It's kind of easy, I guess. Yeah, I don't know why LeetCode tagged it in medium. So after that, we have to give a condition of stopping condition that traverse continues until we reach the end of the linked list. So as we know, let's start coding. If it is not clear, you go back to the starting of the explanation. You can get to know everything if you just watch it back. If not clear, then again watch it back. It will be better for you. So for this, sorry, for this I will like to use a one-liner code for Python. Let me first write up the code, then I will give you what is happening in this code. Basically, I will use the math function here because it kind of we need to find the GCD. So using the math function, it will be very much easier for me. And as we know, we are using like Python, so it will be very much easier for me to code in a single line, because for some days I am not writing any code in single line, so I'm just kind of bored with that. Then we have to find the GCD of n dot val. First of all, I will check is it working or not. If not, then I have to go for another solution. I hope it will run. Then we have to f q. Okay, there is something I missed, I guess. One, two, three. Okay, there is something I missed. Oh shit, sorry. I know that. This is the only problem with this. or N, and last we have to get the H. Let's see if it is running or not. If not running, then I will rewrite the code. Something is wrong. 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 Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. 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 H is not declared. Oh, sorry. We had. Oh, shit. Sorry. Okay. It must be had. Uh, Now it should run perfectly, completely fine. Yeah, it's running perfectly fine. So before concluding this part, let me have a brief of the code I have written here. So let's moving with a basic thing. The list node class is already defined in the problem. Okay, so it represents the node of in the single linked list. So if you are new to LeetCode, you will get to know that everything is being said in class, and we have to write a code in class solution. So this is a basic thing we need to know before starting with LeetCode. So after that, where each node has a value and the next pointer to the next node. So what this turn, it stores the value and it stores the address of the next node, so we can jump from one to another. So we are using a lambda function. So in math, there is a package of math in Python, so I am using lambda. So we are using lambda recursive function for this problem. So what it does is, like, this line. Look very carefully. This does what? It defines a function f that takes a node n as an input. Okay, and then what n dot next does is refers to the next node in the linked list. Okay, fine. Next, what it does, we are calculating the value of the linked list, like before and the after. Okay, between the current node and the next node. Then we are creating a GCD node and insert it between the new linked list, current node, and the next one in by chaining the linked list constructor. The base case, when we reach end of the linked list, the recursion stops, returning the modified linked list with the GCD nodes inserted between the original nodes. So this is a whole problem in one line. So let's submit. I hope it will run correctly, and at last we will check our run time. Okay, let's analyze our complexity. I hope it will be not greater than that. Hopefully. Oh, it's constant, and I guess memory is also constant. Fine. Let's thank you for joining in this daily LeetCode series. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and be smarter than before. Bye bye. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.